iPhone 14. Guys, this is it. This is the non-Pro version, non-Max version, ang pinaka-base variant ni iPhone 14 series. Guys, ang dami nagtatanong sa akin, is it worth it to upgrade to the iPhone 14 if nanggaling ka sa iPhone 13? Parang hindi siya worth it daw. Parang malit lang daw yung difference. Well, hindi to sinabi ni Apple ha. There are some big differences that you need to know. Now, although pares na pares lang yung itsura niya sa iPhone 13, like completely pares na parehas, the camera, the body, the display, everything looks the same. Pero ito yung mga minor details na kailangan nyo malaman. Una-una yung kanyang processor ay Apple A15 Bionic chip. Pero instead of the 4-core GPU sa iPhone 13, 5-core GPU na si iPhone 14. So mas maganda yung graphics niya ng konting-konti. But this is a big one. Ito big deal to. Ang hindi nyo alam, 4GB lang si iPhone 13. Si iPhone 14 ay 6GB na plus 2GB of RAM na. Although hindi minarket niya, pero guys, big deal yun. Mas mabilis na si iPhone 14 kaysa kay iPhone 13. Siyempre, i-compare ka yan. You want to benchmark kay iPhone 13, meron akong ganoon guys. Kaya mga lang. Meron daw siyang advanced dual camera setup. Meron na siyang autofocusing sa selfie camera. But probably the best thing about the iPhone 14 that the iPhone 13 doesn't have is a much better battery life. Kasi guys, mas malaki na yung battery niya. Hindi sinabi ni Apple kung ano yung milliamperes, pero plus 2 hours daw ang kanyang battery life. Well, maximum 2 hours, minimum mga 1 hour, mga ganun. And of course, yung mga bago like yung emergency SOS via satellite, crash detection, yung bagong photonic engine for better low light, and of course, the action mode sa kanyang video. Mas stable na daw ang kanyang mga video